In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add discount tag to Shopify customer when they signed up in MemberPress. So assume that I'm selling a membership via MemberPress plugin, and if any of my existing customer is taking that membership, I would like to provide them a discount. Now in order to provide this discount, I'll have to manually check that whoever is signing up here in the MemberPress is actually an existing customer of Shopify or not. If the customer is an existing customer of Shopify, I'm going to manually assign that discount code in the customer's profile. Now I would like to entirely automate this process with the help of an automation software. So what will happen, every time the customer is going to sign up here, firstly the automation will check that whether this customer is an existing customer of Shopify or not. If the customer is an existing customer, it will automatically assign that discount tag into the customer's profile so that the customer can easily access that discount in his Shopify account. So if you also want to set this MemberPress and Shopify automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my MemberPress dashboard, and here I have created a membership, and if any of the existing Shopify customer is going to take this membership, I am going to provide them a discount. Now in order to provide this discount automatically, I'll have to first build a connection in between these applications, and I am going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect to multiple applications and automate your task. Well, you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation, that too every month in your account. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, and this is how I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here you will have to click on this blue button that is create workflow and simply provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. So I am providing the name here as when customers signed up in MemberPress. Okay, customers signed up in MemberPress, assign discount tag in his profile automatically. Okay, now click on create, and after this you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application automatically, and here according to our use case, whenever the customer is going to sign up into the MemberPress account, automatically check whether this customer is an existing customer or not. If the customer is existing customer, assign the tag of discount code automatically in his Shopify profile. Okay, so this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are building an automation. And here the first application I am going to choose as the MemberPress, because I am going to sell. I have created my membership into this MemberPress, and I want that whenever the person is going to take the membership, this automation should start trigger. So that is why I am selecting this specific trigger event, that is member sign up completed, which means triggers when a new member completes the sign up and their payment is accepted. Just in case if you want to select any other trigger event, if you want that whenever the new member is added, at that time you would like to provide the discount, you can also select the same, but currently I am selecting this specific only. Okay, and after selecting this trigger event, here you can see a webhook URL has been provided. Okay, so firstly you will have to follow these instructions one by one in order to connect your MemberPress account with the Pabbly Connect, so that we can capture the MemberPress data first into the Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the same data to the Shopify application. Okay, so how I am going to do that, firstly you will have to copy this webhook URL. Now it is saying that navigate to the MemberPress add-ons developers tools. Okay, so this is my MemberPress dashboard, and here I will select this add-on settings. Okay, again read the instruction. Now it is asking that make sure that the developer tools add-on should be active. Well, currently it is actually green in color, that means it is actually active. And now it is asking to select the developer settings, and after that you will have to search for the webhooks. Okay, so here we have the developer section, and here I'm going to search for the webhook option. Here you can see several webhooks are already added here, but I'm going to build a new connection, so that is why I am going to click on this plus plus icon, and here I will be adding the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. And after that, you will have to click on this advanced section, and you will have to choose that on which particular specific event happening you would like to send the data to Pabbly Connect. Well, how about I select all the events, or you can also select the specific event, something like the member sign up completed, which we have selected here also. Okay, but for now I will select all the events. Now finally I'll be clicking on the save webhooks button, and you will see how it will be connected. Basically the MemberPress and the Pabbly Connect is now connected. Okay, so coming back here, and when you will read the instructions, it is actually waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means signing up of a new member into the membership of our MemberPress plugin. Okay, so here I will be going to the membership, and here I am going to open this membership in completely a new tab, and then I am going to sign up for this membership. Okay, so firstly I am going to copy this link address, and then I am going to open this link in completely a new tab in different tab. Okay, so I have pasted it. So this is the lifetime membership page, and from here only I am going to sign up into this membership. All right, and I'm going to sign up with some dummy details, and here you can notice that I'm selling this subscription for free because I'm creating this automation just to show you how the process can be automated. But you can assume that I'm actually selling this subscription for paid, and the customer is actually signing up for this particular membership, and the name of the customer is dummy, the last name is dummy customer. All right, the username, assume that I am adding this 12345 dummy 123456 as the username, asking for the email address, so demo@pabblytudes.com. assume that this is the email address of the person, asking for the password. So how about I copy the same thing and keep it as a password, and finally I'll be clicking on sign up button, and this is how I am signing up for this membership into MemberPress. Alright, so here you can see your subscription has been set up successfully. Okay, so I'll be coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here I will check for the response, and here you can see as soon as a member has been signed up, basically the member sign up completed, we have received the response into the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us check the details one by one. Alright, so here you can see the event type is actually the member added, and here we have the data username as dummy123456, and yes, it is the same username which I have provided at the time of membership sign up. All right, let us check for other details. Where is the email address of the person? All right, I'll have to check for that, and here you can see the last name of the customer is here. Here we have the first name, here we have the email address, the full name, and we have actually captured all the details. Okay, and this is actually the lifetime membership. Okay, the title was lifetime membership. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation of our integration is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, every time someone is going to sign up into the MemberPress, the details will be captured here. And remember, at the time of event selection into this MemberPress, okay, we have specified that every event should be captured. Okay, let me show you once again. In this developer section, while doing this advanced setting, I have specified all the events, but here I would recommend you to select this particular specific event only. Otherwise, what will happen if we are going to capture the response on happening of every event, the detail will be captured, but here in this particular case you want the detail only when member is going to sign up. All right, so coming back to my Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and here now I am going to check whether the person who has just signed up is actually the existing customer of Shopify or not. Okay, so how I am going to do that, you just need to click on this particular next application and choose Shopify as the next application, and here here in the action event you will have to select this search a customer, because we are actually going to search for a customer. Okay, so let me search for that specific action event. Well, I do not have the value as the search, I have the value as the find. Okay, so I am going to find the customer with the help of email address. Okay, so clicking on connect, and here you will have to select add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API key and the subdomain. Okay, so you can read the instructions, and from where you can get the subdomain. Well, from your URL you will have to type this particular subdomain. Okay, basically the part after the double slash and before this full stop, before this dot. Okay, so I'm going to paste the same here, and secondly it is asking for the admin API access token key. Okay, so how you can get this API access token key, you can also watch this particular video. Okay, for now I will directly take you to the Shopify account, and here you will have to click on this app section, then click on this app and sales setting, then you will find an option of develop apps. You'll have to click on that option, then we are going to create a new app for this. So I am going to give a name, that is MemberPress and Shopify Automation. I'm just providing this particular name. All right, after providing the name you will have to click on this create app button, and once you have specified the name to your application, now you will have to provide the scope. Basically you will have to provide the permissions. So here you would like to search for the customer, so that is why I'm going to provide all the permissions related to the customer. Okay, here you can see the read and the write customer. Okay, now finally I'll be clicking on this save button, and you will see this install app button will be enabled. Okay, so I have provided the name to my application, I have also provided the permissions. Finally I am going to install this particular application, and after that, after installing which, you will get the API token here, and you can reveal this token only once. So whenever you will generate this token, make sure you save this token somewhere else for the future use. Okay, so pasting this and clicking on save, and this is how you can connect your Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we are going to find the person with the help of email ID. So instead of providing the email address manually, I will map it, basically the email address which we have received, and I don't need to manually map it. Simply click on this particular field and you will find your above data here, and you just need to search for that specific data. Well, here I am searching for this email address. Now finally I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, but before that let me take you to the Shopify app, and here I'll be going to this customer section and we'll check whether this particular customer is already the Shopify customer or not. And here you can see the dummy customer, and let us check for the email address of this person. Alright, so here we have the email address. Alright, here you can see demo@pabblitudes.com. This is the email address of the person. Well, that means this customer already exists into the Shopify. Now I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and let us check what Pabbly Connect is saying, that whether this customer is exist or not. Well, the response is positive, which means the customer already exists. Okay, so if the customer is already exist, what should be the next step? Basically we want to provide a discount to this existing customer because he has actually taken our membership as well. Okay, so how I am going to do that? Well, I am going to assign this specific code. Okay, I'll directly take you this discount section, and here I have created the discount code as the Pabbly25. Okay, so if I will add this particular ad in this profile, in the profile of this customer, okay, as a tag, here you can see the tag option is available. If I'm going to provide this tag here to this profile, the same discount code will be applied to the customer's profile, to this specific customer's profile automatically, and he is now able to use this particular discount code. Okay, so instead of providing this code manually to each customer who is signing up for my membership, I would like to do it with the help of Pabbly Connect, basically with the help of automation. Okay, so if this customer is already exist, the tag should be assigned. So how I am going to do that? You'll have to search for the Shopify application once again, and in place of action event, in case of action event, this time instead of searching, we are going to update a customer. Okay, and here you can see update customer action event. click on connect, and this time you do not need to click on this add new connection and install that application. You can reuse those existing connection by simply clicking on they save, and this is how your Shopify account will be immediately connected once again with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, asking for the customer ID. Okay, so here instead of adding the customer ID from this drop down, I am going to map it. And how I can perform it? Simply enable this mapping button, remove this existing ID, and I'm going to map the customer's ID right from here, basically from this drop down. Okay, so why I am mapping this value, why I have not selected the email address from the drop down. Okay, so if I will select the email address from the drop down, what will happen? The value will be fixed always, the email address will be fixed always, but right now I have mapped this value. So whatever the values you're going to map in your automation, in your workflow, these values will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. So what will happen? The customer will sign up, okay, and we are going to check whether this customer is already exist or not. If it is already exist, we are going to apply that discount tag with the help of this update customer action event. Okay, so if you're going to map this value will be replaced automatically with some other customer's ID. Okay, asking for that which particular data you would like to update. So here I just need to update the tag value, and rest of the things should be same. Okay, I don't need to change it anything other than this tags. So that is why I am going to provide only the tag value, and I will keep all the fields blank. Okay, so here I am going to assign the tag manually. Okay, because this code will remain same. I am not going to change this code, I am not going to modify this code. So I have copied my discount code from this particular section and pasted it here, and what will happen? The customer will be updated automatically by simply clicking on this button. Okay, so firstly let me take you to the customer's profile, and here you can see currently this customer does not have any tags assigned. Now I'll be clicking on the save and send test request button and wait for the response. While the response is arrived, now I am going to refresh this particular page and check whether the customer is assigned with that new discount code or not, with that Pabbly 25 discount code or not. And here you can see the Pabbly 25 discount code has been assigned as a tag automatically to this customer's profile. Okay, so this is the power of automation, this is the power of Pabbly Connect, that without doing anything inside Shopify and MemberPress, I am able to do everything with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, now I would like to inform the same by sending an email to this particular person. Okay, so how I am going to do that? Simply click on this plus icon, and since I want to send an email, so that is why I will select a Gmail application here, because of course for sending the email you will have to use this Gmail application. And here I would like to send an email. Click on connect, and here you will have to provide the access of your account. So connect with Gmail and provide the access from here, and once you will provide the access of your Gmail account, the authorization will be successful and your Gmail account will be immediately connected. Now it is asking for the recipient email and other details. Okay, so here I would like to send this particular email to which person? Basically to this particular person. Okay, so where is the email address? I'll have to search for that. Basically this is the person to whom we are assigning the tag. So here we have the email address, and make sure that you map the email address from the last step only, because this is actually the existing customer. Okay, and now it is asking for the sender name, so I will write something like Pabbly. Okay, and further it is asking for the email subject line, the reply to, and other things. Okay, so how about I write something like you have got a discount on Shopify store. Okay, on your Shopify store. Okay, and let me correct the spelling as well first, and I'm going to copy the same content. Reply to will be blank, email content type will be plain, and finally the email content, basically what email you would like to send to the person. Okay, so here I also want that after this hello the person name should appear. So here I'm going to map the name of the person, so simply search for the name here, and here we have the dummy customer as the name. Let me search for that. All right, so I have mapped the name. Press enter. You have got a discount on Shopify store. Use the code and here I will map that tag. Okay, basically the discount tag. So where is the discount tag? I'll have to check. Here you can see customer tags is actually the Pabbly 25. Okay, so finally I'll be clicking on this button and you will see how the same customer will automatically receive this kind of email. Alright, so finally I'll be clicking on this button and this is the Gmail account of that person. Click on this button and wait for the response to receive, wait for the email to arrive here. Alright, and well, you can see the response status is actually sent. Let us wait for that email, and here you have got a discount on Shopify store. You can see the email has arrived already. Okay, hello dummy customer, you have got a discount on Shopify store. Use the code Pabbly25. Okay, so this is how you can automatically assign any kind of tags to your customers automatically with the help of automation, with the help of Pabbly Connect. You just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that you do not have to do anything manually. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks. You can simply close Pabbly Connect from here, and in case you want to access this automation into your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.